Are you annoyed with disorganized workshop tools? Or do you need a portable soldering kit while on the move? Wondering how to get rid of those head heatings? Here are a couple of genius workshop tools that are on another level. You might be wondering how this tiny tool serves. Don't let the size fool you, because it is a powerful palm-sized screwdriver that you'll definitely take on your next project. Let's take a closer look. This screwdriver is packed with multiple steel bits that will let you deal with various jobs. No need to worry about power. You can handle a wide range of situations with this mini boy. Thanks to its patented shark chunk and ring light, now you can say goodbye to all the hassles of screwdriving. This is a whole new way to make any place your workspace. The KREG Mobile Project Center combines the portability and versatility you expect. For example, you can use this as a workbench, sawhorse, clamping station, and many more types. Thinking how bothering the setup will be? Here's the twist. This project center is so easy to set up. Just open the legs, then put the tables up, and it will automatically lock into place. Another cool feature worth checking out is a shelf underneath that accommodates your tools and project supplies. Going to job site? Don't forget to keep this project center on your back trunk. Losing your patience with using bulky job site hats? This Culling Fan will give you the comfort you've never got before. Whoa, that's exciting! This fan is surprisingly lightweight, which limits fatigue, and the compact design won't make you feel like you're wearing something. Plus, it is very easy to attach, and you'll get continuous airflow for a prolonged period of time. Exhausted from wearing hard hats? Put on this fan with them and keep yourself cooled up everywhere. Now this is something genius. The stacker you've always wanted at your workshop. This mini electrical stacker takes all the manual labor out of moving a load around there. Here's how it works. You just need to turn on the stacker, press down the straight moving button, and you can move it without pulling the handle. Cool, right? It lifts up heavy loads so easily and moves them with your simple action like you're playing with a remote control car. The best part is, this tool is amazingly maneuverable and gets access to the most confined places simply. Can your stacker do that? Now it's time to spend some bucks on this Stanley Dynagrip wrench. This twin-tech wrench works with 26 socket sizes and 6 types of heads. Don't you think it is a perfect solution for your workshop tasks? You'll never feel its sturdiness until you use it on your own. With a simple adjustment dial and unique Dynagrip teeth, you can lock it on any head you want. But hold on, there's more. You can use it can be used by anyone, anytime, anywhere they need. One tool, too many features. Days are gone of using a corded soldering iron. Now, the smarter you work, the better you get. Exciting, right? Well, meet this BL60 cordless soldering tool that will be a good choice when you're on the move. And you can make a huge amount of soldering joints on a single charge. But wait, don't hurry. Wait till the tips get cooled down, and then you can easily change them. On top of that, there's an integrated LED that will help you in the smallest joinings, so you know you'll be on the go where you might need a soldering iron. Count on this BL60 to get power without electricity. Simply genius. Here is a tool that seems like the younger brother of Hulk from Avengers. Jokes apart, you must be wondering how this tiny looking tool can lift up such heavy weights. Surprisingly, it really does with its robust and tough appearance. Simply drag it to the bottom and start lifting with an air down switch. And if you're involved with these tasks, you definitely want to feel safe. This tool can be lowered down for easy positioning, which is pretty safer than conventional bottle jacks. So no time for any headache with heavy lifting from now. This 2-in-1 metal shrinker will save your time from swapping from tools to tools. Yes, you don't have to go for 2 different tools for metal stretching and shrinking. This tool can be treated with mild steel, stainless steel, and even aluminum. The compound leverage allows effortless forming without making any relief cuts, heating, or hammer. Last but not least, it is designed with a cast iron body for years of use. Tired of finding your tools from a jumbled drawer? But how do you organize them? When you have this ToughBuilt Clip Tech technology by your side, you'll be able to make that easier. With the interchangeable pouches, you can keep your tools within sight every time. Thinking about the clipping hassle? No problem. The durable patented hub will help you get rid of all unusable clippings, whether you want a hip, ladder, or wall. Choose the pouch you actually need and build your own innovative storing system right away. This is an easy, fast, and safe bead seeder that will let you work like a pro. You'll be amazed by its ultralight aluminum tank and capacity. Want to know the coolest part? It assists you with a digital pressure gauge that a regular one won't offer. Aside from that, this bead seeder is nitrogen compatible and can perfectly seat tires positioned horizontally or vertically. No wonder this tool is going to be an amazing addition to your workshop. So that was the list of the Genius Workshop tools that are on another level. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.